Good morning, everybody. You just saw my recipe. As you can see, for me it's really thin paint. I guess it's about as thin as Rinske Duna is doing her paint for the Dutch pour. And yeah, I did 3 pours today, and this is the first. And this one, yeah, was actually really thin. And I will just try different recipes each time. And so today I did everything with GAC 800, but in other days I will also do use other pouring mediums. And what I want to achieve is actually the lacing you see sometimes when people blow paint. And although I like the pours that I did today, I did not achieve the lacing that I really would like to see. But I had fun, so I will try different recipes another time. These are all the metallic paints from ARTEZA, except the gold. That was the Indian spice from Color Art, Resin Art. And I will use to blow my airbrush, because I wanted to see if you can do a Dutch pour with an airbrush. And as you can see, I began with blowing very high, and I think I held my airbrush up too high, because all we see now is white paint. But yeah, this is a first for me, so I had to get used to blow with my airbrush. But well, this was not the way to do it, because a lot of my colors are gone now. They're all covered in white paint. And the reason that I'm doing a voiceover today is because I just wanted to play and experiment and not talk through it. So what you are seeing me doing now is what I normally would do without a video on. But I thought I would tape this or video it anyway. But this is just me trying out new things. And I decided I wanted to share it with you after all. And I actually do like a little bit what happened here, but yeah, most of the times when I'm trying things out, I just go on and yeah, see what happens when I do things. It's just all testing. So I'm putting in new white paint in the middle, and now I am applying the hot pink. Oh, and the black and the white are Van Bleiswijk paints. And all the colors were ARTEZA paints. And I was just trying things out. How many layers of paint do I need to put down? And well, now as you can see, I am doing a lot in a lot of different colors. And when I look back at it, it actually is too much, I think. But I do like how this one looks. Now I'm using my torch to see well, if there's of course no silicone or anything in it, but I'm using my torch to see if anything happens. And as you can see, some air bubbles are popping and some there is a little bit of lacing, but not too much. And now I decided I will do another one over the first blowout that I did, because I don't think they match. But well, this is normally also how I test things. I just continue, try out different things. And I guess you all do this at home. You get a small canvas and you just try things. As you can see, the airbrush actually does work very well. So I will do this kind of pours more often, because I actually like it a lot, but I would like a lot more lacing, so I need to work on that recipe, and I will go on until I find what I'm looking for. It may take a year or 2 years, but I don't care. And now I'm continuing, because I thought it was a little bit too much white. And I wanted to see what happens if you add more colors and just blow again. Because normally the Dutch pour you blow twice or maybe 3 times and then you're finished. Well, I just wanted to work on it until I, thought it was okay. And it got maybe a little bit busy, but well, you got to try things or you don't know, right? And of course you could do this with a straw or with a hairdryer or whatever you like or feel comfortable with. But I wanted to try the airbrush and I like it. And now I wanted to see what happens when you tilt a little bit. Would I get more lacing? Or doesn't it change? Well, it didn't change a lot. And I know this must be possible without using silicone. So I will just keep on trying. Using my torch once again. And now I'm just using a stir stick to make a little bit of design, not much. Excuse me for my snoring dog. I don't know if you hear him, but he's doing it again. And now I just made a couple of lines where I thought they look nice. So I am going to show you a close-up now. And I like how it became, but it's not what I had in my mind. So I will just continue to work on the recipe, and I will show you my next try in the next video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give me your thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And everything else is listed below our video. So thank you for watching.